How to change music on Instagram post after posting. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change music on Instagram post after posting. First of all, open Instagram on your phone. Go to your profile. Click on the post you want to change the music of. Click on three dots on the right side. Here are different options for advanced settings. Click on three dots and delete the reel. Now, refresh your profile. Click on the plus icon to do a new post. Select a picture or video to post and click on Next. Tap on the music icon. Select the song of your choice and then click on Done. Click on Next and then Share. That's how you can change music on Instagram. Also, check out our video on how to unblock someone on Instagram Laptop 2023. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.